Hello and welcome back to NCH Software Academy. Today guys, I would like to show you how to try your level of best and get that I can say that's little Tjay, that's Tjay, the Prince of New York, Steiner Gambino. How to try to get that try the type of vocal effect, So let me play our before sound before we can start mastering the record.
I can see they falling. Yeah. Now your dirty secrets are open. Those who wanted me to fall apart did everything they could to play a part. Don't ever look at me, I'm the last to judge. You should have worked on you and just look at lot. Cause all things in mind go deep down there. I will define my feels.
That's it. Do you think guys we can take this vocal and try to make it sound very professional? Okay, let's try it out. So the first thing, you just go to that FX. Like the first thing we do at if you do it watch our previous, we start with a panoramic EQ. So obviously the artist who was singing here, we met with the vocal coach before, like we approached the beat and he showed us the way, like how we should start singing on the beat and stuff. So obviously we won't be putting autotune. Then we start with the panoramic EQ, but you can put autotune. So we can start on boost to push a little bit of our lows a little bit down there. Then you push our mids a little bit, and we extremely push our highs. So let's see how it sounds. See how it sounds with just one EQ.
I can see they falling.
Okay, there's a huge difference, but I'm pretty sure like you cannot hear the difference because it's still the one plugin. And for me, like I'm listening on my not just on my previous video, I think you guys did hear a little bit of a delay each and every time I play the song. It was because like I was listening straight to the studio monitors. So right now I'm listening on my headphones. So after putting like a panoramic EQ, guys, you'll put a visual EQ. So our visual EQ, we still do the same thing. Last time we went as far as cutting a little bit of a 5,000 hertz there. So that's exactly what we all do. So cut a little bit of a 5,000 hertz there because we don't want those syllables like to come very hard on us. Then after doing that, we're allowed to boost a little bit of any highs. So you boost highs, you can just do like that. Then you can push this one a little bit just to keep it a little bit less complicated. You can just do it like that, just like that. You boost your highs and you just leave a little bit of a gap around this position because you don't want to entirely boost your highs because you still want something at a very high to not be to give a little bit of a space, some air, Then I like to click there. Then I cut a little about 50 like that. I cut entirely those frequencies because I really don't need those frequencies because they will tighten up my mix. Then I can add a little bit of a boost around this position. Why do I add a boost around this position? Because sometimes when you sing, like you end up like having a little bit of a frequency from 5,000 to 1,000. Like I usually do add my frequencies on my mids, but I really don't love to add too much of the frequencies. Then you can also add a little bit there. Then I would love to have a little bit of a knob out there, cutting a little bit of those frequencies. Then let's hear.
Yeah. Now your dirty secrets are open.
That's it with two EQs. Let me remove the EQ.
Those who wanted me to fall apart did everything they could to play a part. Don't ever look at me, I'm the last to judge. You should have worked on you and just look at lot. Cause all things in mind go deep down there. I will define.
I hope guys you can hear a huge difference. So I would like to decrease around there. I would like to boost a little bit of my highs again because I really feel like I still need to boost my highs. I like to boost my highs around that. Then I would like to put a little bit. Our compressor that we use our J compressor. Then what you do, our G compressor, we'll try to, we're compressing everything above this line. So let's see.
My fears, but I'll live my life on freedom state. If peace still come, I'll lead the path.
So since the artist like is doing a lot of singing for this one, so I want like our release time to be around 0.7 seconds. Then our attack to be very quick, but I would love to push it a little bit up. Then I would like to push a little bit of an our up gain to around 6 dB. Then I would love to leave my limiter there. But what I can do, you know, since you can see around here those vocals are like they are coming in, I can add a little bit of a gain. Then after putting too much of a gain, then I'll throw a frequency also around this and throw a limiter so around these frequencies, like I can minimize the volume. But let me play it. Okay, let me put it around this position. Let me play it.
I can see they falling. Yeah. Now your dirty secrets are open. Those who wanted me to fall apart did everything they could to play a part.
I feel like, guys, this really sounds great, especially like because the room for this one, like I usually put a filter when I'm recording like my vocals, but for this one I told the artist like to remove like a pop filter, to remove like the filter on the mic, like the head filter, so that we can get like that reverb, that natural reverb on it, rather than putting like a special the reverb, like, to put a special reverb. So we go to voluming, then we put another compressor. You know, for this compressor we decrease this one a little bit. We might keep our limiter there. I can leave this one around this position, or let me just like say general voice. Then I will love to boost this one a little bit because it is our release.
I can see they falling.
Okay, let me remove everything so that you can hear the difference.
Yeah. Now your dirty secrets are open. Those who wanted me to fall apart did everything they could to play a part. Don't ever look at me, I'm the last to judge. You should have worked on you and just live your life, cause all things in mind.
So now I'm trying to get to that standard G and standard G and Tjay vocal effect. Now their vocals like have that little bit of a crispy on their vocal. So if you want to achieve that, you need like to boost a little bit of a highs. I need to boost around here, then I'll to throw this one a little bit down to get that a little bit of a crispy sound, straight like the straight crispy sound. So I'd like to put it around here, what I'm doing now. Okay, put it around here. Let's see.
I can see they falling.
So like I'm getting to the point where like I feel like, okay, I'm getting to a point where I'm starting to like what I'm doing. Then after boosting so much, so I boosted the highs, I boosted the highs. So it's time for me to add a little bit of a dehancer, because those S sounds are starting to get they're starting to bite my ears. I really don't know like I'm using the right term. Then I start to put a little bit of a dehancer. What else do they have? A multi-band noise gating. I really don't need that, especially on this one. So what else can we use? I'm just trying to look something different. We can use I think we can use this one. This one looks great, but I really don't need a reverb. Next time I will be showing you how to use this one. And let me go straight to another panoramic EQ. It's just like the same as that, like our first one, but I don't think I will be using this one. It will confuse me, not just you guys, also it will confuse me.
I can see they falling. Yeah. Now your dirty secrets are open. Those who wanted me to fall apart did everything they.
Let me play like the before. You can hear the after. Let me play the before. Our raw.
can see they falling. Yeah. Now your dirty secrets are open.
Guys, I really don't want to talk too much. I hope you can hear all the difference, and I think like for today that's how far I can go, because I really don't want to complicate it, you know. I really don't want to complicate it because now it's starting to do that thing where it stop and go. Guys, I really need some donation. I really need some donation so that I can buy a better laptop so that it can stop doing this stop and go thing. But before like I get some donation, let me get that 1K subscribers, you know. Let me get that 1K subscribers. So I want no donation for right now until I get that 1K. So let me. I'm currently looking like for a delay. I really don't like this one. Do you know, guys, what else you can do? Like to avoid, you can go to tempo and arrange. Like if like I know like the beat tempo of my beat, I'll come here, then I arrange it so that each and every time I put a delay, so it can delay straight with the beat tempo. Because you can put a delay right now, it will be off beat because my tempo of the beat is 120, and for example, maybe the tempo of this beat is around 136. So our delay will be off tempo. But guys, I feel like for today that's all I can show you, how to get that little Tjay, Ji and standard G vocal effect on MixPad. I really appreciate it, and thank you so much, guys. Let me play it, then I'll press stop. Please don't forget to subscribe.
I can see they falling. Yeah. Now your dirty secrets are open. Those who wanted me to fall apart did everything they could to play a part. Don't ever look at me, I'm the last to judge. You should have worked on you and just look your lot. Cause all things in mind go deep, and then I will define my feels.